And this is the Ulefone X7 Pro, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap here to the display section. Click to wallpaper and tap to wallpapers. You could use photos from your device gallery or the default wallpapers. Just to set it, tap on the left upper corner to set wallpaper and select lock screen. Wait a second. Now lock check, and we could see that we just successfully changed our wallpaper. You could also make it by another way. Just hold for a while home screen with a finger and tap to wallpapers. You could use it just once or to use it always, so you could by the same way select one from the available default wallpapers, or just to use photos from your device gallery or downloaded from the internet. Tap to set, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.